How to resize cells in Google Sheets. Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial in order to do so, and it is super simple. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. We can start by opening up Excel and going to one of the documents available within our Excel. For example, let's say this is the document. So you can just go over to the document like this, and let's get started. So now in order to resize it, one of the method we can follow up is we can hover over our mouse over the line between the rows and columns like this here. And row is something line between numbers and column is this section right here. This is our column and this is our row. So when the cursor turns into like this, a double arrow, you can just go over and drag and drop it like this to resize. You can see the cell's size increasing. You can release it and the cell column row size increases. For example, if you want to resize this column, you can again drag and drop it once you find this two arrow with the black one. So you can just go over and resize it and you can find the changes directly available. Apart from that, we can resize by exact size as well. So for that, we can just go over and right click on the row number. For example, 2. After that, you can just go over and look out for row size or resize column option. So if we have that option of format cell, resize, something like that, we can just go over and resize it, look out for alignment, etc. number, and we can just go over and resize it from the section as well. Or sometimes we find this option directly called row height. Right click on it and select the option of row height, and we can increase it and click on OK, and you can find the size of the cell being increased instantly. Same goes for the column as well. If I click on it, select the option of column width, and there you can increase it and click on OK, and it will increase the size directly. You can just go over and do so. And you can find the changes instantly on your screen. And you can select multiple rows and columns as well like this, and right click on it and select the option of resize from there as well, such as filter, short, resize, etc., and resize it like we usually do. Just go over and click on this option of column width, and there just go over and apply the changes, and it will give you the thing that you're looking for. You can just go over and do so, and you can even double check the line between the column letters or row numbers and adjust it to fit the largest cell content, and row height adjust to fit the tallest content. And that's it. To make all the columns and the rows the same size, you can just go over and right click on this option and click on this option of enter size or format cells, and you can just go over and enter the value, and that will work out for you. And that's it, everybody. Those are probably the methods you can follow for that. We hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.